In this video, we're diving deep into the world of bees, tiny creatures with a massive impact on our planet. We'll explore how they shape our ecosystems, support our food systems, and keep the Earth in balance. By the end of this video, you'll understand why bees are far more important than most people realize, and what we can do to protect them. Let's begin. Bees are tiny creatures, but their impact on our planet is massive. These buzzing insects help keep ecosystems alive, support plant life, and indirectly provide food for millions of species, including us. Without bees, the natural world would look very different and far less colorful. One of the most important roles of bees is pollination. As bees travel from flower to flower, they transfer pollen, allowing plants to reproduce. This simple act is the foundation of countless food chains and helps maintain the balance of entire ecosystems. Around 1/3 of the food we eat depends directly on pollination. Fruits, nuts, vegetables, and many seeds only grow because bees make it possible. Without their work, global agriculture would collapse, and many foods we enjoy would disappear from our plates. Pollination also affects wild plants. Forests, meadows, and mountain landscapes rely on bees to keep their plant populations healthy. When wildflowers reproduce, they support insects, birds, mammals, and everything up the chain. Bees quietly hold entire ecosystems together. Bees influence Earth's climate as well. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, store it, and release oxygen. But without bees, plant reproduction slows down, forests shrink, and the planet loses a powerful natural system for regulating its climate. Honeybees often get most of the attention, but they're not the only heroes. There are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide, many of them wild, solitary, and even more efficient at pollination. Each species plays a unique role in its own environment. Bumblebees, for example, can perform buzz pollination. They vibrate their bodies at a special frequency that shakes pollen loose from certain flowers. Some plants, like tomatoes and blueberries, depend almost entirely on this method, making bumblebees essential. Another fascinating group is the tiny native bees. These insects are often smaller than a grain of rice, yet their pollination efficiency is remarkable. They visit flowers that larger bees cannot reach, ensuring even the smallest plants continue to thrive. Despite their importance, bee populations around the world are declining. Habitat destruction, climate change, and pesticides pose serious threats. When bees lose their homes, their food sources, or their safety, entire ecosystems feel the impact. Urbanization is one of the biggest challenges. As cities expand, natural landscapes shrink. Meadows turn into concrete, and bees lose access to the flowers they rely on. Without diverse and healthy habitats, bees struggle to survive. Climate change also disrupts bee behavior. Rising temperatures can cause flowers to bloom earlier than usual, leaving bees without food at critical moments. Extreme heat, drought, and unpredictable weather all weaken bee populations. Pesticides add another dangerous layer. Chemicals used to protect crops can harm bees, affect their nervous system, and reduce their ability to navigate. Even small amounts can disorient bees, making it harder for them to return to their hives. When bee colonies weaken, the effects spread quickly. Farmers see drops in crop production. Wild plants struggle to reproduce. Animals lose food sources. The decline of a single species of bee can trigger a chain reaction across the ecosystem. But there is hope. Many organizations and communities around the world are working to protect bees. By restoring habitats, planting wildflowers, and reducing pesticide use, we can give bees the environments they need to thrive again. One powerful solution is creating pollinator gardens. Even small spaces filled with native flowers can support entire bee communities. These gardens provide nectar, shelter, and breeding areas, lifelines that help bee populations recover. Farmers can also help by practicing sustainable agriculture. Using organic methods, preserving hedgerows, and rotating crops all create healthier environments for bees. Sustainable farming supports both pollinators and long-term food security. Beekeeping is another important part of the solution. Responsible beekeepers protect local bee populations and help maintain healthy hives. They monitor bee health, provide safe habitats, and support pollination in nearby landscapes. Technology offers new tools as well. Scientists are using sensors, AI, and data tracking to study bee behavior, detect diseases early, and understand environmental changes. These innovations help protect bees more efficiently than ever before. Education plays a crucial role. When people learn about the importance of bees, they become more motivated to protect them. Schools, communities, and content creators can inspire others to take small actions that create big change. bees also hold cultural and symbolic meaning. Throughout history, they've represented hard work, cooperation, and harmony with nature. Their behavior reminds us how powerful teamwork and balance can be, both in the hive and in our own lives. Inside a hive, bees work together like a well-organized society. Each bee has a role: workers gather food, drones help reproduce, and the queen ensures the colony continues. Their teamwork creates one of the most efficient systems in nature. The structure of honeycombs is another marvel of engineering. The hexagonal pattern is mathematically perfect, allowing bees to store the maximum amount of honey while using the least amount of wax. Nature designed a masterpiece long before humans understood it. Honey itself is a miracle of the natural world. Bees transform simple flower nectar into a nutritious, long-lasting superfood. Honey contains enzymes, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties. It is one of nature's most extraordinary creations. Many people don't realize how hard bees work to make honey. A single bee may visit thousands of flowers in one day, and a colony may travel millions of miles to produce just one jar. Every drop of honey represents incredible effort. When we protect bees, we're not just saving insects, we're saving entire ecosystems. We're protecting forests, farms, rivers, wildlife, and the future of food. The survival of bees is deeply connected to the survival of life on Earth. Even small actions can make a difference. Plant more flowers, reduce pesticide use, support local beekeepers, share information. Every step helps create a world where bees can thrive and where nature remains strong. Imagine a planet without bees, fewer flowers, less food, collapsing ecosystems, and a world losing color and life. This future is possible, but it's also preventable. The choices we make today shape the world we pass on to the next generation. Bees remind us that even the smallest creatures can have the biggest impact. Their silent work keeps our planet alive, reminding us that nature is a delicate web where every species matters. As we look forward, protecting bees must be part of our global promise to care for the Earth. They are essential partners in sustaining the beauty and balance of our planet. So let this video be a reminder: the buzzing you hear in a garden is not just noise, it's the sound of life continuing. When we protect bees, we protect our future. and together we can make sure their wings never fall silent. As we reach the end of this journey, one thing becomes clear. Bees are far more than tiny insects buzzing from flower to flower. They are quiet caretakers of our planet, working tirelessly to keep ecosystems alive and to support the plants and foods we depend on. Their impact is unbelievably large for such small creatures, and their role shapes life on Earth in countless ways. But today, bees face challenges unlike anything they've experienced before. Habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and pesticides are pushing many species toward decline. And when bees struggle, everything around them begins to weaken. Forests lose their color, crops lose their strength, and nature starts to fall out of balance. Protecting bees is protecting the planet. The responsibility to help doesn't belong only to scientists or organizations, it belongs to all of us. Even small actions make a difference. Planting flowers, reducing chemicals, supporting local beekeepers, and sharing awareness can create powerful waves of change. These simple steps help restore bee populations and revive the ecosystems that depend on them. This video reminds us that nature is deeply connected. The survival of one species can shape the future of many. Even the smallest creatures, like bees, play essential roles that keep the world thriving. We are part of this delicate system too, and our choices carry the power to protect or harm it. The future of bees is directly tied to our own. So as we close, let this be our promise: to listen to the buzzing in our gardens, to appreciate the life it represents, and to take real steps toward a healthier, more sustainable planet. The future of bees is in our hands, and with awareness and action, it's a future we can protect together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.